Hi, Wayne here from Sears PartsDirect. At the end of mowing season, resist the temptation to shove the mower to the back of the garage and forget about it. A little work on the mower today means less work in the spring when your grass suddenly starts growing. Now, let's get started. If you treated the gas with a fuel stabilizer the last time you filled the tank, you can leave the gas in the tank without worrying about it gumming up. If not, run the mower until the tank is empty or drain the tank. Either way, work in a well-ventilated area. When the engine is cool, disconnect the spark plug wire so the mower can't start accidentally while you work on it. Clean the top of the mower by brushing off loose dirt, grass, and dust. Then wipe with a damp cloth. If there's stabilizer treated fuel in the gas tank, remove the gas cap, cover the opening with a plastic food storage bag, and screw the cap on over the bag. This prevents fuel leaks when you tilt the mower over. Make sure to tilt the mower on its side with the air filter up so oil won't leak into the cylinder. Scrape the underside of the mower to remove grass deposits. A putty knife works well, but if you're concerned about scratching the finish, use a plastic scraper. Wipe the underside of the mower deck with a wet rag, then dry it with a dry cloth. Spray the bottom of the mower deck with MowDeck lubricant spray. MowDeck helps prevent the mower deck from rusting during the winter. Clean dirt and grass clumps off the wheels, then turn the mower upright. Take the plastic bag off the gas tank opening if used. Remove the air filter. If you replaced it earlier in the season, just gently tap off loose dirt. Replace the filter if excess dirt doesn't come off or if you've not replaced it this season. Remove the drive cover and clean the underside of the drive cover as well as the area it covers. Follow the instructions in your owner's manual for removing the drive cover. On belt-driven mowers, tighten the belts as needed and check for excessive wear or cracks. Replace damaged belts. Use a hard stream of water from a garden hose to clean the grass catcher. Let it dry completely. Tighten loose nuts and other fasteners. If storing the mower in an area with poor ventilation, use a light oil to coat the lawnmower, especially moving parts and the cables to prevent rust. Put the mower away in a dry place. To keep the outside clean and to protect it from damage causing moisture, you can cover it with a mower cover or a waterproof tarp. You can find more DIY tips in the repair help section of our website at SearsPartsDirect.com/DIY. We hope this video helps you out today. Thanks for watching and subscribe to see new videos as soon as we post them.